how to enable low crowded trips only on transit app. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can enable low crowded trips only on transit app, and then is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your transit application, just like I have done here. And then once you're on this application, move to the top left corner of the screen and then click on the gear icon. Now after clicking on the gear icon, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. So on the settings page automatically. So on the settings page, you can see some options at the top part of the screen, which include you can see the face icon, you can see the slider icon, as well as the settings or the help icon. So once you can see this, the next thing to do is to click on the profile icon or the face icon that you can see. So let's go back and then select it again. Yes, so once you're on this icon, if you are in a supported region, here you will see some options such as my transit option. It could either be under this fixed icon or under the slider icon. Alright, whichever one. Now on this slider icon, you can see my locations, you can see my transit modes, and then you can see other modes and all of that. So if you're in a supported region, like I've said earlier, you'll most likely see this option which says my transit options. Once you've seen this, amongst the options displayed, you'll see the option avoid crowds. Alright, select it. After selecting avoid crowds, at the right side of the screen, you'll see a toggle and the toggle will either be on or off. So to enable this, just tap on it, and then once it turns green, it shows that you want to enable avoid crowds. And then once you are done, at the top part of the screen, the top right corner of the screen, you will see the done option. Click on it, and then just like that, the avoid crowds option would be enabled, such that whenever you are selecting a trip, the trip planner will then bring you trips that are less crowded if there are some available. Alright, and during peak times like rush hour, there may not be available trips that aren't crowded. In that case, the trip planner will inform you that only crowded trips are available. Alright, so this is how you can do it. This is how you can enable low crowded trips only on the transit app. Thanks for watching and have a good day.